Hey guys, Marie with Minard's Leisure World, and in the shop today we have the 303 RLS Reflection. This is our #1 selling couples fifth wheel by far. Hits the sweet spot for towing weight. It's under 10,000 pounds, but it feels like you're in a massive fifth wheel. 3 slides, rear living room, island in the kitchen, so many great things to talk about. Reflection is by Grand Design. So these guys offer deco warranty, tire warranty, roof warranty, 3-year structural warranty, a lot of really good things in that area. Very well insulated. We've got R40 insulation with a designated heat duct into the underbelly. Oversized holding tanks. So you've got, almost double the capacity of your holding tanks. Unobstructed pass-through compartment storage. So if you guys are looking at some of the competition, sometimes you see the plumbing hanging down. Definitely not the case. Finished off, you even have a heat duct blowing into this area. We've equipped this Grand Design Reflection with the automatic leveling system. So it's a one-touch level system with truck memory capabilities. So it remembers the height of your truck. Keep coming down. Friction hinge door here on your main door. We've got aluminum entry steps that are nice and light, easy to fold up. They don't get dirty and corroded. They're always easy to fold in and out. Laminated, all 5 sides. 2 awnings. You've got an awning on your main and a second awning here. Both of those awnings have LED lights. Beautiful windows here right on your campsite. Lots of people say, oh, we want the outside kitchen, we want the outside kitchen. Okay, we'll show you an outside kitchen model, but you're not getting campside windows. So we'll always have both on the lot. We sell more of these. Let's check out the back. At the back of the coach here, rear living room means big rear window. So if you back onto a nice spot, lake lot or anything like that, you've got great views. Ladder here to get up on the roof. That is a walk-on roof. Remember, 12-year warranty. We've got the Furrion backup camera prep. So if you want to install that system, we can do that for you. And then you also get, for this year, 2-inch receiver hitch with a 4-pin wiring for a boat. So this is rated for 3,000 pounds. Here we are inside the 303 RLS Reflection. Opposing slides right here in your main living area. Absolutely beautiful interiors this year, you guys. They were beautiful last year too, but they changed it up a little bit. Went a little darker cabinets, little whiter or countertops. But you can see all that for yourself in the pictures. Right now, we'll just keep going. You've got this fantastic hutch, new backsplash, lots of plugins, you guys. Reflections are known to have lots of 110 plugins. Double door refrigerator. This is an RV refrigerator, so it will work on propane as well as 110. The cool thing I love about Reflection is they were a mid-profile fifth wheel, and they are a mid-profile fifth wheel that does some of the high-profile options. Auto level, side-by-side fridges, and they do them, but they were the first ones to do them. So great feature. Solid surface counters with a big sink. Upgraded faucet. Lots of storage. Look at this oven, you guys. This is Furrion at its best. We've got a split oven system. It's big. You'll actually cook something in there with a cast iron cooktop. Huge Furrion microwave too. So this isn't a little guy anymore. And that is a convection microwave. And pretty much all Reflection floor plans, when you get into the larger units, have a full pantry with the motion censored lighting. So lots of shelves in there to put all your goods. We're going to keep going into the living room. So what you're getting in this floor plan is your seating right across from your TV. People love that. Flat screen TV, fireplace, upgraded stereo. At the back here, we've got the tri-fold hide-a-bed. Very comfortable. You're not sleeping on the springs. There's no air mattresses to blow up. And then this year, brand new, are the total blackout roller blinds. Day-night shades are a thing of the past. This is the future. So here we keep going into the main area with your theater seating, heat, massage, and LED lights. A little bit of storage here. Just want you to I want you to have a look down really quick. Not at my broken toe, because I did do that. You're also noticing there's no heat ducting in the middle of the floor. So Grand Design on all of their products brings those ducting up into an interior wall, moves the air a little bit better front to back of the trailer. Into your dining area. This is brand new. So what you're getting is kind of a booth freestand combo. These chairs, you still get the storage underneath. A little bit of storage here in the table. This is a couple's coach, so most likely it's going to be 2 people around the table. This ottoman bench style seating has storage underneath, and you can move it. You can bring it out into the living room and put your board games in there, whatever. Here we are into the bathroom. You get a foot flush porcelain toilet, beautiful neo-angle smoked glass shower, and then vanity, storage, medicine cabinet. Cool thing about this floor plan and the way that they're keeping it under 10,000 pounds is not doing a true bed slide. So this is your third slide. It's a wardrobe, goes halfway in the bedroom and halfway in the bathroom. You can see that from the floor plan picture. You get a pocket door here, and then come on into the master. Into the master bedroom, absolutely beautiful decors. You've got the little sconce lighting here. You've got a 12-volt charging system right here, so if you need to charge up your phone. True queen size bed. This is a 60 by 80 queen bed. Very cool thing that these guys do in this slide out, and if you, again, you're looking at the competition, lots of times they just have a whole bank of storage. This, you actually get a window if you're a little claustrophobic, if you want to open the windows and get a bit of a cross breeze. So that's something they're doing different. Thanks for coming along on this little tour of the 303 RLS Reflection. You can come and see it at Minard's Leisure World anytime. One of us would be happy to show you. Thank you.